China refuses to back down on what it calls trade blackmail from the US. It's Tuesday, 8th of April, and here's what you need to know. If the US insists on having its way, China will fight to the end. Those were the words of the Chinese Commerce Ministry this morning. You may have seen that President Trump threatened yesterday to impose another 50% tariff on Chinese imports. That would take the total to more than 100% unless China dropped its own duties by tomorrow, April the 9th. Well, Chinese manufacturers of everything from cutlery to flooring are issuing profit warnings, but their government is giving no ground. Our number of the day is 7.2. That's the exchange rate of the Chinese renminbi to the dollar, fixed this morning at its lowest since September 2023. That matters because it shows China might try to use currency depreciation to counteract some of the effect of tariffs, which happened during President Trump's first term. Chinese financial regulators have vowed to support the stock market, and a number of Chinese companies have announced share buybacks. That means China's markets have staged a recovery this morning, and Europe's have followed them up. Meanwhile, the European Union has agreed on a list of US products to be hit with a 25% tariff, kicking in for most goods on the 16th of May. European leaders have made it clear they would rather negotiate, but they're also prepared to fight back. You may have missed, though, that bourbon whiskey was removed from that list. That's because President Trump threatened to retaliate by hitting European wine with a 200% tariff, and US consumers drank 4.9 billion euros of it last year. So France and Italy have been lobbying furiously to protect their industries. And our stock of the day is Walgreens Boots Alliance. It reports later after it agreed to be taken private by Sycamore in a $10 billion deal. That's expected to conclude in the fourth quarter, and it would end nearly a century of public trading for the pharmacy giant. Sycamore has agreed to pay $11.45 a share. That's a premium of about 8% on the current price. And that's what you need to know this morning.